Hello students, again welcome back to mathematics class 10th mathematics. Now let us continue the exercise 3.5. Today we will do word problems. I am reading question number 4 of exercise 3.5. Question number 4 of exercise 3.5, first part. Part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. A hostel has one fixed charge and the extra charge you have to give the number of days that you will take the food. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay 1000 rupees. A student whose name is A has taken food for 20 days and she paid 1000 rupees as hostel charges together, all over the hostel charges. Whereas a student B who take food for 26 days pays 1180 rupees for hostel charges. While there is another student whose name is B who has taken 26 days food and that student has paid 1180 rupees for as total hostel charges. Find the fixed charge and the cost of food per day. आपको इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में किसको x और y अज्यूम करना है पता नहीं है, तो आपको जो पूछा गया उसी को x और y अज्यूम करना है. Once more, I am giving the explanation of the word problem in हिंदी. एक हॉस्टल है, हॉस्टल में इन्होंने डिसाइड किया फिक्स चार्ज देना ही देना है, उसके अलावा जितने दिन फूड आप लोगे उसका एक्स्ट्रा पैसा देना है. एग्जाम्पल में बताती हूँ, आप एक हॉस्टल में गए, वो ऑर्डर ने बोला कि आपको 500 फिक्स चार्ज देना है और एक दिन के लिए आप एक डे फूड लोगे तो आपको 50 रुपीज पर डे देना है. अगर आपने 5 डेज के लिए गया है तो 500 रुपीज देना ही देना है और एक दिन के लिए 50 रुपीज, तो 500 के लिए 5 into 50 250 रुपीज होता है, तो आपको टोटल 750 रुपीज देना है. तो टोटल चार्ज मीन्स फिक्स प्लस charge of food per day. Then we can assume the fixed charge be x rupees and charge of food per day be y rupees. First condition क्या है, 20 days वो बच्चा student A 20 days student has taken food, then she paid 1000 rupees. That means total amount is fixed charge plus charge per day, that is x plus 20 y is 1000 rupees. While the student B took food for 26 days, that means x plus 26y is the total amount paid is 1180. That means we have made two equations using x and y, where x is the fixed charge and y is the charge per day. आपको क्वेश्चन में जब भी समझ नहीं आता किसको x लेना है किसको y लेना है, जो क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया, उसने पूछा है फाइंड द फिक्स चार्ज एंड charge cost of food, otherwise charge of food per day. Now by see इसमें आप किस मेथड लगाएंगे, the coefficient of x is same and having same sign, that means we can use elimination method to find the value of x and y. The sign is same, we can subtract. 1 minus 2 give x is getting cancelled, minus 6y is equal to minus 180. On simplification, you will get y equal to 30 rupees. That is fixed charge equal to 30 rupees. Next, we have to find the value of charge of the food per day. For that, you can use either equation 1 or equation 2. I am using equation 1. That is x plus 20 into 30 equal to 1000 rupees. That is x plus 600 is equal to 1000 rupees. 1000. That means x equal to 1000 minus 600 equal to 400 rupees. That is fixed charge is 30 rupees. You always remember the values that you are finding out should be put in a box. That would be easy for the examiner in the board examination to check your answer sheet, and that will give the impression on the examiner. That is fixed charge is rupees 30 and charge of food per day is 400 rupees. This is the first question. And now I will do one more question, that is part 4, that is very important, and there are total 5 parts. I will do only first and fourth part. Second is based on fraction that we have done earlier, and third is based on tech marks that also we have done, and last one is based on geometrical figures that also you can do. If you have any queries, you can ask me. I am reading the question number 4. Places A and B are 100 kilometer apart. There are two places. I am denoting the places by the letter A and B. The places are 100 kilometer apart. And one car start from A and another car start from B at the same time. One car, एक कार A से जा रही है, दूसरी कार B से जा रही है, दोनों एक ही टाइम पर जा रही है. When they travel in same direction, if they are going same direction, then they will meet in 5 hours. When they go in opposite direction, अगर दोनों एक ही डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं तो वो 5 hours के बाद आपस में मिलेंगे. और if they go in opposite direction, they will meet in 1 hour. You have to find the speed of the car starting from A as well as speed of the car starting from B. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, केस 1 और केस 2 से करेंगे. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, कई बार बोर्ड में आ चुका है. केस 1 इज when the cars move in same direction. तो see, this is first car, this is second car. तो आपको क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया, you are asked to find the speed of the car. I am assuming that the speed of the car starting from A, be x kilometer per hour. Unit of speed is kilometer per hour. And the speed of car starting from B be y kilometer per hour. x का A से जो कार स्टार्ट हो रही है उसका स्पीड हमने x किलोमीटर पर आवर ले लिया, B का y किलोमीटर पर आवर ले लिया. The distance between these two places is given as 100 kilometer. And when they move in same direction, ये कार यहाँ से जा रही है, this is moving in this way, and at this point they meet. I am giving the point this as C. And similarly this car is moving in this same direction, एक ही डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं, and it also reach at the point C, then they meet. Then the 100 kilometer is the difference of the distance covered by the car from A and the distance covered by car from B. How we can find distance? If you know the speed and time, we can find distance using the formula speed into time. कितने घंटे बाद दोनों मिल रहे हैं? 5 hours के बाद मिल रहा है. So the distance traveled by car from A is 5x kilometer, क्योंकि आपने उसका स्पीड x assume किया. Distance traveled by B to reach C is 5y kilometer. That means total distance traveled by A minus total distance traveled by B is 100 kilometer. That means when the vehicles move in same direction, in order to get the difference, the distance between them, you have to subtract the distance. अगर दोनों व्हीकल एक ही डायरेक्शन में जाएंगे तो बीच का डिस्टेंस मिलने के लिए आपको फर्स्ट व्हीकल का डिस्टेंस में से सेकंड को माइनस करना है. That means given that 5x minus 5y you have to write. If you write 5y minus 5x, then distance become negative. That is 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. On simplification, you will get x minus y equal to 20. This is first equation. Now case 2. इस तरह आप फिगर बनाकर करेंगे, आप कभी कंफ्यूजन में नहीं आएंगे. Now case 2, what you are given? If they travel in opposite direction, one car is going to this direction, the car from B is going to this direction, they are meeting here. They meet. अगर दोनों opposite direction में जाएंगे जल्दी मिलेंगे, एक ही डायरेक्शन में जाएंगे ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा आपस में मिलने के लिए. That is case 2 is cars move in opposite direction. ये लिखना आपको मेंशन करना, opposite direction. Then the distance, if they move in opposite direction, they will meet in 1 hour. 1 hour मतलब 1 घंटा बाद मिल रहा है. That is distance covered by car A is 1 into x. That is 1 means time. X is speed. Speed into time is distance. That is 1x. You can write it as x. And distance covered by the car from B is 1 into y. That is y. And if they are in opposite direction, what do you have to do? We have to add. They are moving same direction, you have to subtract. That is x plus y is equal to 100. बीच का डिस्टेंस हमेशा फिक्स ही रहेगा क्योंकि दोनों प्लेस का बीच का डिस्टेंस आपको 100 किलोमीटर दे रखा है. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. नाउ in order to solve this, it is better to write one below the other, that is x minus y is equal to 20, that is equation number 1. Now by doing elimination, see, I want to eliminate y. Y is, because here y, coefficient of y is positive, the coefficient of y is negative, so that if you add this, y is get eliminated. That is 1 plus 2 gives 2x is equal to 120. That implies x equal to 120 by 2, that is equal to 60. That is the speed of car starting from A. Speed of car from A, starting from A is 60 किलोमीटर पर. You should mention the unit. हर चीज का यूनिट लिखना बहुत जरूरी है, otherwise mark will be deducted. Now whose value is to be found out? Y. I am using, you can use either question 1 or 2. I am using question 2 because it is simple one. Sorry, question 1. It is, where is question 1? This one. 1 gives x minus, x we have got 60. 60 minus y is equal to 20, implies y is equal to 60 minus 20, that is 40. Therefore, speed of car starting from B equal to 40 kilometer per hour. In this way, we can find solve the word problems based on the vehicles traveling in the same direction as well as traveling in opposite direction. That means we have done 2 word problems, one based on hostel charges, one based on the vehicles traveling in same and opposite direction. The remaining question you can do by yourself. Every question should be done in your notebook. I think you understood all these things very much. See you again in the next class. Thank you.